Morning children, today we start a new chapter, data entry and keyboarding skills. In this chapter we learn about keyboard. As we know that keyboard is a common input device, it is used for taking input from the user. Keyboard is similar to electronic typewriter keyboard. A keyboard has more than 100 keys and each key of a keyboard corresponds to a single symbol like A, B, C, plus, minus, etc. Some symbols require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence. Like we use Control S for saving, like Control C for copying and Control V for pasting. It allows entering alphabets, digits and symbols into the computer. You can press any key to produce action or computer commands. The touch method of typewriting is a method of typing without using the sense of sight to find the keys, and there is no need to search the key while typing, and one has to move only the finger which is needed to strike a key. A touch typist knows the location on the keyboard through the muscles memory. Touch typing typically involves placing the 8 fingers in a horizontal row along the middle of the keyboard. Now the types of keys. There are several input devices like mouse, touch screen, corrector or voice recognition, etc. used for giving input to the computer. Yet the use of keyboard is the most common method, and our keyboard have different types of keys. And first is the alphanumeric key. All the alphabets from A to Z and numbers from 0 to 9 on the keyboard. Then we have punctuation keys, and all the keys like comma, period, semicolon, bracket, parenthesis, etc. are known as the punctuation keys, and all the mathematical operators such as plus, minus, equal, divide, etc. are also known as punctuation keys. Then alt key is a shortcut for an alternate key, and this key is like a second control key. Then we have arrow keys. There are four arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor up, down, right or left. Then we have a shift or alt keys, and they are used to move the cursor in more than one position at a time. Backspace key deletes the character just to the left of the cursor and moves the cursor to that position. Then caps lock key, it is a toggle key and which helps you to convert the alphabets into uppercase. Then we have a control key. This key is used in conjunction with other keys to produce control characters, like we use Control S for saving. The meaning of each control character depends on which program it is running. Then a delete key deletes the character at the current cursor position or the selected object but does not move the cursor. For graphic-based applications, the delete key deletes the character to the right of the insertion point. Then we have a numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is used when we have to enter numeric data, and this keyboard is just like a simple calculator. It is located on the right hand side of the computer keyboard, and it contains numbers from 0 to 9, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and a decimal point, numlock and enter keys. Numeric keyboard also work on a dual mode. On one mode it represents numbers, and the other mode it contains various keys like arrow keys, page up, page down, etc. Numlock is provided to switch between the two modes. Usually some of the keyboards of the laptop do not have a numeric keypad. Then we have a home key. Alphabets are the ASDF are the home keys. and home keys for the left hand, and LKJ for the right hand. Means the alphabets from A, S, D, F are home keys for left hand, and semicolon L, and the keys from L, K, J are for the right hand. The fingers are trained to make the correct movement to other keys, and each finger returns immediately to its respective home key after it has depressed the corresponding key in any other row. Then we have a guide keys on a computer keyboard. Keys from F and Z are called keys F and Z. Remember, F and Z are called guide keys for left and right hand. Both contain a small raised tangible mark with the help of which the typist can place the fingers correctly on the home keys. This figure shows the position of the fingers of both the hands on the home key. So these are the keys which we have on our keyboard. Thank you.